Online with computer, grade 3. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 3 students, now we are going to start chapter number 1, computer fundamentals and devices. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to define computer, identify parts of computer like mouse, system unit, keyboard, mouse. Discuss parts of CPU, ALU, CU, MU. Identify the keys on keyboard. Identify hardware devices. Define software. First we discuss about computer. We know that computer is an electronic machine. It works on electricity to perform functions like writing, learning, playing games, watching cartoons, etc. And it can accept, store and process large amount of data. It helps to solve problems in less amount of time. You can complete your work on computer and much faster. There are 4 main parts of a computer: monitor, system unit, keyboard, mouse. And these parts of computer makes your computer more reliable and working fast. Now we are going to start discuss basic part of computer one by one. First one is monitor. A monitor looks like television screen, and you can see alphabets, word, cartoons, picture, movies, listening songs on a monitor. It is also known as output device. Monitor is also known as VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. There are 2 types of monitors. First one is CRT. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Second one is LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Now we discuss about system unit. System unit has CPU. CPU means central processing unit. It is a main part of computer system and control all the functioning and working of a computer. It consists major 3 parts. First one is ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit. Second one is CU. CU stands for central processing unit. And last one is MU. MU stands for memory units. Our computer works on 3 basic parts of system units. Now first we discuss about ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit. It is used to perform arithmetic calculation and logical operations on data. Arithmetic means addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. And logical stands for less than, greater than, equal to, not equal. Like these operations we can perform by using ALU. Second is CU. CU controls the flow of information between various parts of the computer and coordinates. Memory units has 2 types of memory. First one is RAM, second is ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory and RAM stands for random access memory. ROM is a permanent memory and we can't erase the data stored in it. And RAM is also known as temporary memory and we can erase, change or delete data from it. When computer is switched off, all the data erased from the RAM. Now we are going to discuss about keyboard. We know that keyboard is an input device. It is used to enter data in a computer by using keyboard keys. A keyboard consists of following types of keys: alphabets, number keys, punctuation keys, function keys, arrow keys, symbol keys, special keys. We can use these keys to perform different functions on the monitor, laptop, etc. Let us study about some other keys of keyboard. First one is caps lock. Caps lock is used to write the letter in capital or uppercase form. When we press caps lock key from the keyboard, a light is displayed on the keyboard. After pressing the caps lock key from the keyboard, when you type a letter, then it will appear in capital or uppercase form on your monitor screen. Second is shift key. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. One is left side and other is on right side of the alphabet keys. Like this. First one is this. Second is this. And shift key is used in combination with other keys to perform some specific task. With the use of shift key, this sign appears on screen. Without use of shift key, this sign appears on the screen. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to put blank spaces between the words, like this. For this purpose, we use spacebar key. Next one is cursor control keys. Cursor control keys given on the keyboards in 4 ways. A cursor key is an eye-shaped mark which always brings on the computer screen. When you are typing, it indicates where the next character will appear. These cursor keys are used to move the cursor in any direction: uppercase, lowercase, left or right. These keys are used to move the user to move left, right, up and down. Next one is enter key. Enter key is used to go to the next line or to start a new paragraph in the document. It also used to take the cursor in the next line. Delete key is used to erase your mistake that you make while typing a word on your documents. And it also used to erase the character to the right of the cursor. Backspace key is used to erase the letter if it typed on left side of the letter. It erases the character to the left of the cursor. In this example, you can see that typing a sentence, my name is Hamza, and by mistake you have typed my name is Hamza's is extra. So by using the backspace key, you can delete this sign and make your sentence complete. My name is Hamza.